Now let's maneuver the snake using 4 arrow keys. So from the game board, we need to add the key listener to the canvas. So after button click listener, let's name it as key controller, new key controller. Let's pass this game board, and then to the canvas, we can go add key listener and key controller. So let's define key controller under controller, key controller.java. Then to be a key controller, we need to implement a key listener interface. And the key listener interface is in Java AWT event key listener interface. And then key listener interface defines 3 abstract methods. The one we are going to use is a key pressed. So let's rearrange those ones, and we are going to ignore those two, but key pressed. Since we are passing the game board objects, let's store that key controller game board, and let's save game board there. And then whenever we use the key controller, we need to be very careful that no other components would receive focus. So we have done that from lesson 4. So let's get refreshed. First import the key controller. Then canvas is the only one to receive the focus. So first thing is request focus in window, call it, and then canvas set focusable true is there, and then disable focusable in all other components. That's very important. Otherwise, if you click on other buttons, focus is lost, and then key event listener on canvas does not work. The clicked component receives the key events from that moment on. So let's disable all components and not focusable. First, start button, set focusable false. And stop button set focusable false. For exit button, as soon as we press the exit button, program quits, so we don't have to do so, but just for general safety measure, if this button does not exit, then we need to handle that. So at this moment, this is unnecessary. Another one you need to do so is all other components on the canvas. Above the canvas on the north panel, we have labels. Labels are same thing, but labels you are not supposed to press to do so, but display only. But during the playing game, if user accidentally presses the labels, it may cause losing the focus on canvas as well. So for safety feature, just disable anything and everything. So on north panel, we have a label and then score display label. 2 labels we have created. So label set focusable false, score display set focusable false. Just do everything and anything component except for canvas. That's what you need to do. Then when key is pressed, the key pressed method is called. Then we can get the info. So key code is e.get key code there. Then switch key code case key event defines a constant for each key, vk left and vk right, up, down is there. So if it's left, right, then you can just change the direction of the stake. So we can save a snake reference, snake, then snake is from model, let's import that. Then this the snake is a game board get snake. So snake reference is there. Then if left is pressed, snake direction is snake, we have enumeration direction left break. So that's what we need to do. So let's copy those two lines. Then this is going to be right. Copy two lines and up. Copy two lines down. So that's the implementation. So let's test run. Start. Down arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key, left arrow key, down, right, down, left, up, right. So it seems it works perfectly.